this week's video I'm going to talk about and show you some autumn photographs which I made yesterday. In fact, I was out in the park near the, not near, but at the Fredensborg Castle in a town called Fredensborg. It's the place where the royals have their residence. They live there. At least the crown prince. I'm not so sure about the queen, but I think the whole family goes out there in the summer, some parts of the year. Anyhow, they're in the town in Copenhagen in the winter, but I think they go there in the fall and the autumn, and maybe also in the springtime. There's this beautiful park around it with some nice alleys, rows of trees, and some nice views, and it's a bit varied. The terrain is varied, some hills and stuff like that. But yesterday there was an immense amount of people out there. There were so many people out there. I had some difficulties photographing. There will be people and some of the persons in some of the pictures I will show you in just a minute. Well, it was impossible for me to vlog out there. I couldn't really do it. I managed to make a little bit of B-roll, which you saw in the beginning, and you'll see some in this video, but mostly I'm going to show you still images from out there. I decided not to go crazy with the editing. I wanted to document what's going on right now. What does autumn look like out there? And it might not be, well, you can't, well, yeah, of course it's landscapes, but some of it is man-made, and there's also a few pictures of the castle itself, and some other things from out there, some art stuff, and all that. It's just a small fraction of what you can see out there. It's just a small fraction of all the sculptures and all the trails they've laid out there, all the stuff they've done to landscape this, because it is there's been some landscape architects in this garden and park. You won't see the private part of the park. The private part. Can you say that? Well, sorry, but there's a part of this out there that's closed for the public. But otherwise, you can walk around. There's guards out there, of course, to protect soldiers, stuff like that. Those pretty ones with the big hats, you know, and that's quite nice. But you don't see them too much in these images because I'm at a distance. That's not my interest. That's not my focal point out there. So some of the images, there'll be a lot of autumn colors. Some of those will be more like the green stuff because, well, as you can see probably in the drone shot from the beginning, it's very different where the autumn colors really have set in and where they haven't set in yet. So, of course, there's a difference between that out there also. But I just show you a slideshow now of all these things, and then I might do something in the middle of this week because things have happened with well, they're closing down or making some new restrictions in the country, and there's been some issues that involves me personally in this week that I'm going to talk about. Maybe next Sunday, or maybe in a midweek video. I don't know how this week is going to go because of all this that's happening right now. So enjoy this. Have a look at those images. Subscribe if you like to see some more from this channel. And please give it a thumbs up if you like this. Comments are welcome. If you don't like this video, give it a thumbs down twice, please. Okay? Well, I'll see you next week. Enjoy the pictures. Bye.